Joe, Beermaster the Car Master. Today we have a 23 Nissan Rogue. We have Putty here helping us. And if you're getting this sign on your dash after you worked on the headlights or replaced them or whatever, it says warning, headlamp system error. Then you have a problem and you're trying to figure it out, and it's a tough fix. I'm going to show you what I did to fix it. So this car was in a front-end collision, replaced all 4 lights with aftermarket lights. That's what the insurance company wrote for, so we put aftermarket lights on. Our computer system would not reset them no matter what. So our computer was sort of signaling something with the right side. So I took a chance and I replaced this headlight here. This is the park light or multiple light turn signal. I replaced the right headlamp with another aftermarket headlight. And after I replaced it, I did a computer scan and it did reset. So if you have this problem, I guarantee the problem is with the headlight. Because the aftermarket headlights are all made in China. Most of them are made in China. It depends on where you get them. And they do not communicate. They have to communicate with the computer on the car. So if they don't communicate properly, they may work properly. I mean, everything was working properly. But I could not get that warning off the dash. So I took a chance and restarted with this one in desperation, and it did clear it. So these cheap aftermarket headlights are the problem. Appears to be. So they may work, you may get a good one, but I guarantee you these remakes imposter headlights are not as good, especially if they're made by certain companies or whatever. So try to buy a better brand of aftermarket or put OEM in. They're very expensive, so you get tempted to use the OEM. Maybe you can find a used one, and then it'll easily reset if you do that. So the problem is generally with the headlight. So if you replaced a headlight and you can't get the warning signal out, then change brands of headlights. That's what I recommend. Joe Beermaster the Car Master, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. I want to thank Putty for helping us out today. She's hungry. She's going over to the food.